In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted page in Squarespace. We'll walk through this process together step by step, so even if you're not the most tech-savvy, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's start by opening up Squarespace in your preferred web browser. As you do so, make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing your website settings and making the changes you need. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials and get that sorted out before we proceed. Once you're comfortably inside your Squarespace homepage, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. Give that a click. This will open a new view where you can see a list of your websites. Navigate through this list to select the specific website you want to work on. This step is crucial, especially if you manage multiple sites, to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. After you've chosen the right site, focus your attention on the menu options. Click on Pages and you'll be taken to a new section where all the magic happens. On the left side of this page, you'll find an option labeled Deleted Pages. This is where Squarespace stores pages that have been removed but not permanently erased, giving you a chance to recover them. Now, hover your cursor over the title of the page you wish to restore. As you do this, you'll see a Restore button appear. Click on it, and then, just to confirm, click Restore again when prompted. This dual action ensures that you've made a conscious decision to bring back the deleted page. Once restored, the page won't return directly to its original spot in your site's navigation. Instead, it will appear in the Not Linked section of your site. This area houses pages that aren't part of your main site navigation, and it acts as a staging area where you can organize pages before they go live. Now, if you want the restored page back in your main navigation, drag it from the Not Linked section to wherever you want it in your site's navigation. It's as simple as clicking and dragging to the desired position. This step ensures that your page is readily accessible to visitors the moment they land on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully restored a deleted page in Squarespace, bringing it back to your website's forefront. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful, and now feel more confident navigating your website's backend. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or explore more tutorials. Happy restoring!